Good morning, everyone. Remember, stay positive, think positive, and do positive. Happy Wednesday. Let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. So today's core value is respect others, idea 33. Remember, when meeting new people, shake hands and repeat their names. Objective students will practice hospitality and caring communications through greetings. Rule number 1, when responding to an adult, you must answer by saying yes, ma'am, or no, sir. Just nodding your head or saying any other form of yes or no is not acceptable. Make sure you practice this rule with your family. Let's review very quickly the 3 parts of a friendly greeting. 1. Look at the person in the eye. 2. Smile and welcome the person by name. And number 3, shake his or her hand in a firm but gentle way. Here are some examples. Always shake hands looking into the other person's eyes. Make sure it's a firm handshake. And for right now, since we should stay 6 feet apart, we will not shake hands, but say hi 6 feet apart. And always make sure to wear your mask to stay safe. What is your mood today? Are you excited? Are you sad? Are you surprised or happy? I'm happy. It's Wednesday. Days of the week and the date. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. September the 9th, 2020 is a date for today. And the weather outside is hot. Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Let's go over the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. This is your schedule. These are the classes that you take during the week. Math, English language arts, science and biology, humanity, and your IEP goals. Today we will be working on some math lessons. Activities for kids while we're at home. Remember to take some time and go outside. Ride your bike, take a walk, walk your dog, play basketball, stay a little active during the day. This is a reminder for all high school students. You will have a Spanish lesson posted on Teams. And for middle school, you will have an art lesson. And here are the students that have art from middle school: Mia Salinas, Jeronimo Morin, and Joanna Hartley. Now, if you have any questions, please contact your teachers. Now, let's get started.